Hi everyone! In today's video, I'll show you two simple ways to quickly retouch clothing in photo using Retouch For Me fabric plugin in Photoshop. This tool is great for smoothing out creases and wrinkles on fabric. So let's get started. The first method is using the Retouch For Me Photoshop panel with the Cloud Retouch feature. First, head over to the Retouch For Me website. In the menu, choose Products and click on Photoshop panel. Now click Try it for free and go to the Cloud Retouch page. Here, click the Free button and register on the site if you haven't already. After signing up, click Download and you'll be directed to the download page. Now click Get at Adobe Exchange, which will open Adobe Creative Cloud. Once the plugin is installed, launch Photoshop and load the photos you want to retouch. To open the panel, go to the top menu, select Plugins, and find the Retouch For Me panel. Now you have two options for retouching. Cloud Retouch. This allows you to process images in the cloud. You don't need to purchase plugins, just subscribe, and your first 20 retouches are free. What's great is that one retouch covers the entire process, meaning you can use multiple plugins in one session. On-device option is used if you've already purchased and installed the plugins locally. However, we recommend trying Cloud Retouch. It's fast and convenient. To get started, simply click the Login button in the panel and confirm authorization via your browser. Once logged in, select the Fabric plugin to iron the clothing and you're done. The second method is using the Retouch For Me fabric plugin as a standalone tool. For this, go back to the Retouch For Me website, choose Products, and then Retouch Plugins. On the Plugins page, find Fabric and click Buy Now to purchase, or Demo to try it out before buying. Launch the plugin and load the photo you want to retouch. The plugin will automatically smooth out creases and wrinkles on fabric and give the image a professional finish. To compare the before and after, simply click the button in the upper left corner. If you need to adjust the effect, you can use the slider below the image. Once you're happy with the result, click Save or Save As to create a copy. By the way, you can also use the Fabric plugin directly in Photoshop. Just open the photo, go to the top menu, select Filters, and choose Retouch For Me Fabric. And that's it. Two simple ways to retouch clothing using Retouch For Me fabric. Cloud Retouch is perfect if you want to save time and try all the plugins without buying, while the standalone plugin is great if you prefer working locally. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if it was helpful. See you in the next video.